Looking for a simple way to keep your wine collection neat and accessible? The Amazon Basics Tabletop Stackable Wine Rack offers a smart solution for organizing bottles without taking up too much space. Its unique wave design features recessed bottle holders that keep your wine from rolling, tipping, or slipping, so every bottle stays exactly where you want it. What makes this rack stand out is how easily it adapts to your needs. Whether you have just a few bottles or a growing collection, you can stack up to 3 tiers to expand your storage effortlessly. The racks nest perfectly together, saving space and keeping your countertop clutter-free. Plus, there's no assembly required, just place your bottles and enjoy the tidy, stylish display. Durability is key when it comes to wine storage, and this rack doesn't disappoint. Made from sturdy steel with a smooth finish, it offers reliable support for your bottles day after day. While some might wonder if it can hang under cabinets, it's designed specifically for stacking on flat surfaces to ensure safety and stability. This thoughtful design means you get a dependable rack that works exactly as intended, without any extra hassle. If you're someone who values both function and style in your kitchen or bar area, this wine rack is worth a look. It's perfect for apartments, small kitchens, or anyone wanting to keep their wine collection organized without bulky furniture. The flexibility to add or remove tiers means you only buy what you need, making it a practical and cost-effective choice. Ready to upgrade your wine storage? The Amazon Basics Tabletop Stackable Wine Rack offers a clean, efficient way to showcase your bottles while protecting them from damage. Try it when you're ready and see how it transforms your space with minimal effort and maximum convenience.